Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today, we are going to learn something very important. We are going to learn how to use do, does, and did in real English conversations. These three small words are used every day in English. Every day. But before we start, here is today's question. What is the difference between do, does, and did? Think about it. The answer is inside today's conversation. Write your answer in the comments below. Okay, let's begin. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. David, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I do drink coffee every morning. I cannot start my day without coffee.
Really? I do not drink coffee. I drink tea.
Oh, interesting. Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I do. Every single morning.
And do you eat breakfast too?
Sometimes I do, but sometimes I'm too busy.
I understand. I do not always eat breakfast either, but I always drink my coffee.
So, David, let's talk about the word do.
Great idea. Do is a very useful word. We use do with I, you, we, and they.
Yes. For example, do you like English? Do they work here? Do we have class today?
And the short answer, yes, I do, or no, I do not. We can also say, no, I don't.
Don't is short for do not. For example, I don't like cold weather.
I don't understand this word. Don't is very common in spoken English.
Okay, David, now let's talk about does.
Yes, does is also very important.
Does is used with he, she, and it, not with I, you, we, or they.
Right. So, for example, does she speak English? Does he work in an office?
Does it rain a lot in your city?
Good examples. Now, let me tell you a short story. My friend's name is Tom. Does Tom speak English? Yes, he does speak English. Very well.
And my friend's name is Mia. Does Mia like music? Yes, she does. She loves music.
Now, the negative. He does not like spicy food. Short form, he doesn't like spicy food.
She doesn't work on Sundays. It doesn't snow in summer.
Doesn't is short for does not. Very easy to use.
So remember, do is for I, you, we, they. And does is for he, she, it.
Exactly. Let me give you one more example. Do you have a car? Yes, I do. Does your brother have a car? No, he doesn't.
Perfect. That is very clear. Very clear.
Now, Sarah, let's move to did.
Yes, did is the past form. We use did to talk about the past, things that already happened.
Did is used with everyone. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. All of them.
For example, did you go to school yesterday?
Yes, I did. I went to school yesterday.
Did she call you?
No, she did not call me. Short form, she didn't call me.
Didn't is short for did not.
Let me give more examples. Did they finish the work? Yes, they did. Did he eat dinner? No, he didn't.
Did it rain last night? Yes, it did. It rained a lot.
And an important rule. After did, we always use the base verb, not the past verb.
For example, did you went? Wrong. Did you go? Correct.
Yes, very important. Did she cooked? Wrong. Did she cook? Correct.
After did, always use the simple base form of the verb. Got it. Okay, Sarah, now let's practice with a real conversation. Imagine we are at a cafe. Great idea. I love cafe conversations.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Yes, I do. I come here every week. Do you like this place?
I do. The coffee here is really good. Does the cafe open early?
Yes, it does. It opens at 7 in the morning.
Wow. And does the cafe serve food too?
Yes, it does. It serves sandwiches and cakes.
Perfect. Now let me ask about yesterday. Did you come here yesterday?
No, I didn't. I was busy yesterday. Did you come here yesterday?
Yes, I did. I came here in the evening. I did have a coffee and a sandwich.
Oh, nice. Did you sit inside or outside?
I did sit outside. The weather was beautiful.
That sounds lovely. So, in this conversation, we used do, does, and did, all in one real conversation.
Exactly. This is how English sounds in real life.
David, let's talk about some common mistakes.
Good idea. Many learners make small mistakes with do, does, and did.
Mistake number 1, saying, he do not like it. The correct sentence is, he does not like it. Remember, with he, she, it, always use does.
Mistake number 2, saying, did she went home? The correct sentence is, did she go home? After did, always use the base form.
Mistake number 3, saying, does they work here? The correct sentence is, do they work here? With they, always use do.
These are very common mistakes, but now you know the rules.
Let's do a quick review. Do, used with I, you, we, they, present time. Does, used with he, she, it, present time. Did, used with everyone, past time.
And the short negative forms, don't equals do not, doesn't equals does not, didn't equals did not.
These 3 words, do, does, did, are used in questions and negatives every day.
Practice them and your English will improve very fast.
Okay, David, let's play a quick question game. I will ask a question, you answer.
Perfect. I am ready.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do. I love watching movies.
Does your mother cook at home?
Yes, she does. She cooks every evening.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I slept very well.
Do we need to study grammar every day?
Yes, I think we do. Even a little bit every day helps a lot.
Does English get easier with practice?
Yes, it absolutely does. Practice makes it much easier.
Did you enjoy today's lesson?
Yes, I did. It was very helpful and clear.
Great. Now, viewers, you try. Answer these questions in the comments below. Do you practice English every day? Does your friend speak English? Did you watch an English video yesterday? Write your answers below.
We love reading your comments.
Great job today, everyone. You worked really hard. Do you remember today's question? What is the difference between do, does, and did? Now you know the answer. Do is used with I, you, we, they for present time. Does is used with he, she, it for present time. Did is used with everyone for past time. Write your answer in the comments. And if you learned something new today, please like this video. Subscribe to Simple English Family so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Goodbye.